What's the meaning of Coniston Water? Coniston Water. Coniston Water.
Coniston Water. Coniston Water. Coniston Water is a large lake located in the Lake District National Park in England. The name Coniston comes from the Old Norse language, meaning King's Water. The lake is approximately 5 miles long and 184 feet deep. It is a popular tourist destination for hiking, cycling, and water sports. Coniston Water is also famous for its association with Sir Malcolm Campbell, who set world water speed records on the lake during the 1930s. Today, Coniston Water remains a stunning natural attraction that draws visitors from all over the world.